thing. I think it's going to be tradition in our special lectures. A piece of advice for the future generation.
So maybe it is, let's say, general, but I would encourage you and emphasize your attention to study hard. And when you are studying at the university or your postgraduate degree, try to look, at least target your future career or future job. Don't lose your time just waiting for your diploma be released, because as soon as you get your diplomas, and you will be maybe spending more than 6 months. So I in my life I saw some guys who was searching like for their willing job within a year. And in case if you are too picky to choose your job, maybe you will be waiting your ideal job. So my recommendation, please don't waste your time. Please just try to searching for some internships, for some even if this internship is not paid, just go and learn some skills, because the skills is money. So no one will give you skills, let's say, for free. So I remember my younger ages, when I was doing internship just for free within 6 months. So my parents were supporting me with a transportation fee, with my pocket money, etc. But at that times I was learning skills, and at that time I knew that skills are very important, and they will help me to find best job which I was targeting. So study hard, work hard, and never give up. Good luck.